Picture a stretch of Caribbean coastline where the sand looks like powdered sugar and the water shows up in just about every shade of blue you can imagine. That's the setting for Ocean Maya Royale, an adults-only, all-inclusive resort tucked along the Riviera Maya near Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This property has built itself a reputation as a place where grown-ups can finally unplug without tripping over pool noodles or dodging cannonballs. With a solid rating on Booking. Com and strong scores across other major review sites, it sits comfortably as a well-regarded option in the region. Today we're taking a closer look at what makes this hotel tick, where it shines, and where it might leave a few guests wanting a little more. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. The rooms at Ocean Maya Royale aim for that sweet spot between tropical comfort and modern convenience. With a good number of rooms spread across the property, guests have a range of options to pick from depending on the kind of stay they're after. The rooms tend to be spacious and come with private balconies or terraces, air conditioning, coffee and tea makers, and cable television. Reviewers on TripAdvisor have praised them as clean, comfortable, and more than adequate for a relaxing stay, with consistent hot water and reliable water pressure, which any seasoned traveler knows is no small thing. Several guests have also mentioned that the rooms feel well kept, with beds that actually live up to the resort marketing photos. Beyond the standard categories, the resort also offers suite options for guests who want a bit more space or a different layout. The suites tend to appeal to honeymooners and couples celebrating something special, since they typically offer extra room to spread out and unwind after a long day at the pool. Since this is an adults-only resort, the rooms are designed with peace and quiet in mind rather than family chaos. The cleanliness scores from major review sites land in impressive territory, which tells you that housekeeping takes their job seriously. For most travelers, the rooms here will feel like a comfortable home base rather than the main attraction. When it comes to food and drink, Ocean Maya Royale offers a solid spread of dining venues that keep things interesting throughout a week-long stay. There are several main restaurants on the property, each with its own personality and flavor profile, serving a mix of international cuisines. One of the beachside spots is a real standout for guests who want a meal with an ocean view. The other restaurants rotate through different regional and global menus, giving guests a chance to enjoy familiar comfort foods alongside more adventurous options. The variety makes sure nobody gets bored of the menu by day 3, and themed dinners pop up regularly to add even more flavor to the lineup. The bar scene at the resort fits right into the all-inclusive format, which means drinks are flowing throughout the day at no extra charge. Whether guests are sipping a cocktail by the pool, ordering a beer from a poolside bar, or enjoying a glass of wine with dinner, the beverage options are designed to keep the vacation mood rolling. Themed dinners are part of the regular programming, which adds a fun layer of variety beyond just rotating through the same restaurants every night. Evening entertainment often pairs nicely with drinks, making the bars more than just a place to grab a refill. The combination of multiple cuisines, themed events, and unlimited beverages gives the dining experience here genuine staying power. Now let's talk about the part that probably matters most to anyone booking a Caribbean vacation: the pools and the beach. Ocean Maya Royale features more than one outdoor swimming pool, which gives guests options depending on the kind of vibe they're after. One pool tends to be the livelier social spot with music and activities, while another offers a quieter atmosphere for those who just want to float and forget about deadlines. Loungers are generally available around the pool areas, though as with most beach resorts, the early birds tend to claim the best spots. TripAdvisor guests have specifically called out the pools as nice and not overcrowded, which is high praise for an all-inclusive in this region. The beach is where this property really earns its stripes. Ocean Maya Royale sits right on the coast with beach access, meaning guests can walk barefoot from their room to the ocean in just minutes, which is exactly what most people picture when they book a Mexican beach vacation. The water in this part of the Riviera Maya is famously clear and inviting, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just wading in while you sip something cold. One thing worth noting is that guest reviews mention occasional seaweed and sometimes strong ocean currents, so the beach is often better suited for relaxing and snorkeling than serious swimming. For more adventurous travelers, the resort works with a water sports operator that opens up options like snorkeling trips and various ocean activities. On the activity front, Ocean Maya Royale has put together a respectable lineup for guests who don't want to spend the entire week horizontal. There's a tennis court on property for anyone wanting to keep their swing sharp while on vacation, and a fitness center for those who refuse to let a holiday derail their workout routine. The game room offers an indoor alternative for hotter parts of the day or rainy afternoons, which actually do happen in the tropics from time to time. Snorkeling is a major draw given the location along the Riviera Maya, and the resort makes it easy to gear up and explore the nearshore waters. The entertainment staff plays a big role in keeping the energy up, organizing daytime activities that range from pool games to group fitness sessions. Guests who want to participate will find no shortage of options, and those who prefer to relax can simply opt out without any pressure. Evening entertainment is another strong suit at this resort, with regular shows, themed events, and movie nights rounding out the experience. Movie nights in particular have become a popular feature for guests who want a more low-key evening under the stars. The themed dinners mentioned earlier also count as a kind of entertainment, blending food with cultural presentations and music. For couples, these evening offerings provide easy date night opportunities without ever needing to leave the property. The variety means that even guests staying for a full week will find new things to do each evening. It's the kind of programming that makes the all-inclusive concept feel like genuine value rather than just a sales pitch. Wellness travelers will find plenty to appreciate at Ocean Maya Royale, particularly through the on-site spa, which serves as the centerpiece of the resort's relaxation offerings. The spa features a range of treatments including massages, body scrubs, wraps, facials, reflexology, and aromatherapy designed to melt away whatever stress guests brought with them on the plane. There's also a sauna on the property which pairs nicely with a massage for a full circuit of relaxation. A spa lounge and relaxation area gives guests a quiet space to decompress before or after treatments, which is a thoughtful touch that elevates the whole experience. The lush garden spaces on the property are one of those unexpected details that add real charm to the spa and wellness experience. Wandering through a peaceful garden setting before a massage or after a workout creates a kind of natural mindfulness moment that you can't really fake. Combined with the gentle sound of the nearby ocean, the wellness areas at Ocean Maya Royale offer a genuine sense of escape. For couples, booking a side-by-side massage can turn into one of the most memorable parts of the trip. The fitness center also fits into this wellness picture for anyone who treats exercise as part of their personal self-care routine. All told, the spa and wellness offerings here punch above what you might expect at this price point. For anyone curious about venturing beyond the resort gates, the location offers some appealing options within a reasonable drive. The center of Playa del Carmen sits a short drive away, which makes it an easy trip for guests who want to explore the famous Fifth Avenue shopping strip, sample local restaurants, or experience the nightlife scene. The El Camelon Mayacoba Golf Course is in the broader area for golfers who packed their clubs. Several gorgeous stretches of coastline, including the renowned Maroma Beach, are within reach if guests want a change of scenery for the day. For those interested in nature and adventure, eco-parks and natural attractions sit within a reasonable drive from the resort and offer a chance to experience the natural beauty of the Yucatan Peninsula through rivers, mangroves, and wildlife encounters. The broader Riviera Maya region is also home to famous archaeological sites like Cholum and Coba, plus the cenotes, which are natural freshwater swimming holes that draw visitors from around the world. While these attractions require a longer drive, they make for excellent day trip options for guests who want to mix some culture and adventure into their beach vacation. The resort can typically help arrange transportation or tour for anyone interested. Between the beaches, the golf, the city center, and the natural attractions, there's no shortage of things to do beyond the property gates. Pulling it all together, Ocean Maya Royale lands as a solid choice for adults looking for a comfortable, all-inclusive escape on the Riviera Maya. Its review scores reflect a property that consistently delivers a good experience and earns warm feedback from guests. The standout cleanliness ratings tell you the housekeeping team really shows up, and guest reviews repeatedly praise the staff, the value, and the overall atmosphere. While a few guests mention seaweed or stronger currents along the beach, cleanliness and upkeep across the property are praised consistently. That kind of feedback paints the picture of a well-run operation that delivers what it promises. The adults-only format is one of the biggest selling points for the right kind of traveler. Couples, friends, and solo travelers who want a calmer atmosphere will appreciate not having to navigate around families with young children. The combination of beach access, multiple pools, a handful of restaurants, and a full-service spa creates a complete package that requires very little additional spending once guests arrive. The spa, the garden spaces, and the water sports options give the property some distinctive features that help it stand apart from more generic all-inclusives. The variety of evening entertainment, from themed dinners to movie nights, makes sure that the vacation doesn't get stale even over a longer stay. For travelers who value a relaxed, grown-up atmosphere with strong food, drink, and wellness options, this resort hits most of the right notes. The resort also offers wedding services, which makes it a natural fit for destination ceremonies, vow renewals, and small group celebrations. The adults-only format makes it especially popular for anniversary trips and milestone birthday gatherings. Couples looking to tie the knot on the beach or celebrate a special occasion will likely find that the resort can accommodate their needs with the right planning. The romantic beachfront setting and the lush garden spaces create a natural backdrop for memorable celebrations. What guests seem to remember most about their stays at Ocean Maya Royale are the human moments. Reviews repeatedly highlight the staff as warm, attentive, and genuinely invested in the guest experience, which is the kind of thing that turns a good vacation into a great one. Whether it's a bartender remembering a favorite drink, a server going out of their way at dinner, or a spa therapist delivering an exceptional massage, these small touches add up over the course of a stay. Many returning guests cite the staff as the reason they come back year after year, which is one of the strongest endorsements any hotel can earn. The beachfront sunrises, the quiet moments in the gardens, and the lively evening shows all contribute to a vacation that feels well-rounded. For adults seeking a refreshing escape on the Caribbean coast, Ocean Maya Royale earns its place on the shortlist. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.